Hey data professionals, this video is in relation to my previous video which I tried to replicate trace bar chart in scatter plot. So that's one of the way which we can do it, but not the ideal way. The best way in Power Bi desktop to do a race bar chart, import a custom visual animated bar race chart and create a race bar chart on that. Now to do that in Power BI, it's simple. You go to visualization and click on import from marketplace. Now a pop-up window will open up and you have to search for animated bar trace chart, and when it comes up, or you can click on add to add in your visualization. Now I have already added here, so let's pull it here in the view, and I have a COVID-19 data, the basic data, country and the cases. So drag the cases into value and drag countries to name and add date rep to period, and let's make it to day. Even without making a day wise, the chart is already working very well. You can see countries moving up and down the bar. So this is how you can create a race bar chart in Power BI. It is simple, and the cons you can say is you have to import a custom visual, and once you're done doing the editing, you have to publish it and check that it's working very well or not. Now let's go to Tableau. Here I am in my Tableau desktop with the same data. Here in my Tableau desktop I have the same data, COVID-19 data. The left side you can see the data area, and now let's replicate the race bar chart here in Tableau desktop. First thing, we don't need to import any custom visual kind of thing because Tableau has pretty much everything and it's very flexible. So let's do that here in Tableau desktop by by dragging cases into the column. Next, we have to drag countries to label. Post that, we need to create a ranking. So for ranking, you create a calculated field, and we use a table calculation called rank index, which rank unique function. We will be summing the cases, so it will give unique cases will give unique sum of cases. Okay, apply and OK and drag this to row. The next thing you can do is to make this table calculation to work on countries, and post that you need to make it discrete. While doing the discrete, you can see countries pop up with the sum of cases. Now to make it race, you need to add the data rep to pages. We will drag it to the pages data rep and will make the fixed to 0, so the data will start with 0. Now when you click on run button, it will change up slowly. Let's speed it up, and now you can see the bars are moving, and eventually the United States was the leading one. So this is how you can create a race bar chart in Tableau. Simple, and you don't need any custom visual. You can directly publish it to the Tableau server. It will be very fine because it's not any custom visual. So do let me know guys, which is easier for you and which is your process, Tableau or Power BI.